Let's learn how to find out the slope coefficient in case of linear regression of y on x. The question is, if the estimated slope coefficient in the regression of y on x is beta hat, what will be the estimated slope coefficient in the regression of 5y on tan x? Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. So let's understand it clearly. So what is the equation for linear regression of y on x? So the equation will be, that is y on x. What is the equation of y on x? That is y is equal to beta naught plus beta hat xi plus e, where y denotes the dependent variable, xi denotes the independent variables, beta naught denotes the intercept of the regression line, and beta hat denotes the slope. And we are interested in finding out the beta hat. So how do we calculate the slope? So beta hat, which is equal to b yx, it is being given by, that is the summation of x minus x bar times y minus y bar divided by summation of x minus x bar whole square. Okay, and we are being told that it is equal to slope is equal to beta initially. Now look at that, means this whole stuff is equal to beta hat. That is y on x, for this equation y on x, slope is being given by beta hat. Okay, so you know the things here. Now let's assume, or let's write it here. Let's denote x prime or x dash x prime is equal to, so we are being told that in place of x prime we have 10x this time, and in place of y prime we have 5y. Okay, now we need to find out 10x, that is slope coefficient in the regression of 5y on 10x. Okay, so let me write it here, 5y on 10x. Okay, that means we need to calculate the slope this time. So again, beta yx will be equal to, using this equation, so we have summation of, so in place of x this time we have 10x. Okay, so can I write it first like this, x prime minus x bar times y prime minus y bar divided by summation of, in place of x we have x prime again minus x bar whole square. Okay, that gives us, let's denote it by beta prime, that is new slope yx. So this will be equal to beta prime yx will be equal to so we have x prime, so in place of x prime we have 10x this time. Okay, sorry for the cacophony. So we have 10x this time, so 10x. Similarly, since x prime is equal to 10x, that means x bar, that is mean will also change. So if it is x, now this will become 10x. That means we have minus 10x times y prime is 5y minus y bar will be equal to 5y bar divided by summation of x prime is again 10x minus, so x bar, that is mean has changed to 10x, so we have 10x bar here. So can we write it like this, summation of, let's take 10 common in the first term, so we have 10 x minus x bar, here we take 5 common, 5, so y minus y bar divided by, here we take 10 common, so here we have square, so we take 10 square common, so we 10 square common, so we are left with now look here, summation of x minus x prime, sorry, x minus x bar whole square. So can we rewrite it like this? So 10 5s are 50, so we will get here 50 divided by 100 times the summation of x minus x prime times y minus, sorry, I am looking at it prime, it is bar here, so summation of x minus x bar whole square. Now you know that this comes out to be 1 upon 2, so we will get here 50 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to 0.5, and you know this stuff is in fact equal to this stuff, which is equal to beta head. So this will be equal to beta head. I hope I make myself clear. So the correct option should be 0.5 beta head. Okay, so simply 50 upon 100 is equal to 0.5 times beta head. So the new slope, estimated slope will be 0.5 beta head.